In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on fast startup on your Windows 10 computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. By turning on fast startup, you'll be able to have your computer store or make data from your hard disk available, and therefore it won't take much time on startup. So if your computer has been taking much longer time to start up, then you need to go ahead and turn this feature on. To do this, it's pretty simple. Just go to your control panel on your computer, and then from here look for this option called power options. Now under this, go ahead and choose the first option, choose what the power buttons do. And now here under shutting down settings, you can see fast startup has been disabled and it is not even available for selection. To select this, go ahead and tap on change settings that are currently unavailable. And by clicking on this, now we can check these boxes. Go ahead and check the first box on turn on fast startup, which is recommended, and you're told this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. You have also to note that this will not affect restart. From here, go ahead and click on save changes to effect your changes. So that's how you can turn on fast startup on your Windows 10 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.